Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your HP workstation. We're looking at the CMS 128GB DDR4 3200MHz non-ECC DMM kit, specifically designed as a replacement for HP's Z2 small form factor G8 and Z2 Tower G5 workstations. This kit packs a serious punch with its 128GB capacity, spread across 4 32GB DIMMs. The 3200MHz speed, PC4-25600, ensures snappy performance, crucial for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and running complex simulations. It's important to note that this is non-ECC memory, so it's geared towards workstations where error correction isn't a primary concern. Installation is straightforward, as it uses the standard 288-pin DMM format. Just pop out your old memory and slot these in. Computer Memory Solutions guarantees compatibility with the specified HP workstation models, which gives peace of mind. While the product appearance may vary from the images, the core functionality remains the same. CMS backs this kit with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects when purchased directly from them, which is a solid reassurance of quality and longevity. If you're looking to max out your HP workstation, this could be the best upgrade.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.